Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today on this show I will show you very tasty and very simple recipe of onion fritters or Kanda Bhaji. These are very simple to make and less oily. So let's start. You will need onions chopped lengthwise, some coriander leaves washed and dried. You will need some rice flour and gram flour. Rice flour is optional. If you do not have rice flour, you can use cornstarch. And you will need some chili powder, asafetida and salt. And these are the only ingredients those you will require. And obviously you will need some vegetable oil for deep frying these fritters. Using rice flour ensures that your fritters will become less oily. So I will recommend that you use rice flour or cornstarch. So first you need to take chopped onion in a large bowl. To that add asafetida, salt and chili powder. Chili powder and salt you can adjust as per your taste. Now add coriander leaves and mix all these ingredients very well. It's very simple. You can enjoy these fritters at evening time with tea or coffee. Mix all these ingredients very well and press this onion so that it starts leaving some of water. To this now add rice flour and gram flour mixture, and again press this onion so that flour will get combined with onion. Just remember, don't add water to this recipe. We do not need any water. So after adding gram flour and rice flour, this is the consistency of mixture. It's thick, I know, but once you fry these will become very crispy and light. So with the help of 2 spoons, I will drop these fritters in hot oil. Make sure oil is sufficiently hot. Heat should be medium. Do not overcrowd the pan. Just add 4 to 5 fritters at a time. And now fry these fritters until they are golden brown from each side. You can see these have fried very well. Now I will remove them on a tissue paper so that tissue paper will soak excess oil. These are very light, crispy, and I'm sure you will really like it. You can enjoy these potato fritters or Kanda Bhaji with tomato sauce or any kind of chutney that you like. So make these onion fritters and let me know your comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time. Take care and goodbye.